MODUS is an engineering company that designs all of the mechanical, electrical systems within a building. A lot of times I tell people heating, cooling, lights, anything that's within a building.
We are consulting engineers in MEPT, which is mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and telecommunications. We utilize our experience in design to help owners get what they need in buildings and ensure that they are safe.
MODUS was founded in 1963 by two people, Fred Gilmore and Jim Doyle. And as our business evolved, we moved into different market communities. And one of those was Des Moines, Iowa. And then that was followed by Iowa City.
Our roots are Iowa-based. Our roots really are community-based. So whether it's in Waterloo or Iowa City or Des Moines, it's creating an impact on the built environment. It's the ability to drive by a project with my kids and say, hey, I was a part of that, and I know that was done well. I know that's going to have a positive impact on the client, on the environment, on our community for years, decades to come.
When we start a project, we close Revit, we put away our design tools, we set aside our problem-solving abilities, and we just listen. A lot of times, as a designer, we try to put ourselves in the client's shoes.
When we look at a project, we want to be involved early in the project. We want to understand what's important to our client.
Something that's very important for our end users is creating an environment that's very user-friendly for them.
You know, whether that's hospital staff, patients, maintenance people, teachers, instructors, or students. In all those cases, we like their building to make things easy for them.
Start off by working with the architect and the owner about what their expectations are, what they want to see. I mean, just point out the basics of what they want for the project, or they want to try something new and technically difficult or different.
Our designs are focused around the wants and needs of a client, but at the core of each project, we need our systems to be efficient, sustainable, and usable while providing a safe and comfortable environment.
But once the design is complete, and once the construction is complete and we walk away from the building, we're still there to support the owners, the facility managers, and the people that are working and living in those facilities.
We have always had this willingness to push the envelope with engineering, but doing it in a way that's in our client's best interests.
One of the ways we help our community is providing designs for well-known restoration projects in the city. Whether it's Fort Des Moines and its update for the South Side, or helping to bring life back to the Des Moines Tea Room. The Des Moines Tea Room was completely destroyed by a fire, and MODUS had an opportunity to provide design for the project. Market One, the Des Moines office, is a perfect example of practicing what we preach.
And we talk with our clients all the time about the importance of sustainability. How can you incorporate sustainability to a design? And so we wanted a showcase to really visually allow clients to see how you can do premium engineering, but also do it in a way that doesn't impact the aesthetic appeal of a building.
We have a very young staff. When you look at all three offices, we have a very young, energetic staff, and the company has always given each staff the individual autonomy to grow at their own rate and really shape what type of a career they want out of this field.
Most of our engineers started in this field in order to make a difference in the world. The difference we make is from designing projects that are reliable, cost-effective, and energy efficient.
One of the most rewarding parts of this industry is that we're building things, obviously. And we're going from a concept, and we create something that's going to be there, a lasting structure at the end. There is incredible satisfaction with getting to be involved in that entire process, have an impact, and leave a legacy behind.